Project packaging display, test LED, multimeter, manual. Two AAA batteries installed. Immutable intelligent automatic identification of resistance for measurement. Voltage regulator output voltage measurement 9-volt battery voltage measurement. AC voltage regulator output voltage accuracy measurement. Whether the detection line is disconnected or connected, if there is a buzzer sound, the detection result is good and no damage. AC current measurement. DC current measurement. NCV non-contact induction power supply, flashlight backlighting.